How to get an information technology job. There are many ways to get an information technology job, and it is important that you are prepared and ready for whatever comes your way. Some of the best ways to get hired in this industry include networking. Building up a strong network of contacts in the industry is one of the best ways to land your dream job. It means attending industry events and conferences, connecting with other professionals on social media, and actively seeking opportunities to meet new people. Researching companies. In order to make yourself stand out as a candidate, it is important to do your research on the companies that you are interested in working for. It involves learning about their culture, products, and values and understanding the available positions. Leveraging transferable skills. Many professionals have skills and experience that can be applied to a wide range of positions and industries, such as communication, problem solving, teamwork, and project management. You can make yourself a more attractive candidate by highlighting these transferable skills in your cover letter and resume. When you are applying for an information technology position, it is important to be prepared for whatever comes your way. By getting along with other professionals in the industry, doing your research on potential employers, and highlighting your transferable skills, you can increase your chances of being hired for the job you've always wanted. Have you heard about technical analysis? It's a great tool to help level up your trading and help you better understand the markets. It is something that is used by many people and can be used to help make better trading decisions. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ready to take your trading up a notch? Check out TradingView. This platform provides all the tools and resources you need for success, no matter where you're at. From rookie traders just getting started to veteran investors optimizing their strategies. There's never been an easier or more effective way to reach those goals, so don't delay any longer. Check out TradingView today. To learn more about investments, check out our previous video.